What's up, everybody? This is Steven Palomino with my week 4 reflection video. I'm just going to answer the 4 questions here and talk about my app idea. Number 1, do you think you'll actually make the app you've been working on this month? I probably will end up eventually making it. Next month I've got my app deployment class. I'm still trying to think of if I want to create the app in a month. So I'm trying to see how much would be involved in doing something kind of similar now, trying to see how long it would take and what it involves. But I think eventually I will make it. I'm just deciding whether or not I want to make it next month or not. Question 2: what problems did you encounter with the social media writing discussion board? Uh, the blog and the Twitter and the social media was a little difficult just because you had to kind of talk about updates to the app, and it was hard already coming up with features, coming up with an idea and then features for that app. So coming up with update was a little complicated because I had so much going into the 1.0 release that it was hard to come up with stuff for 1.1 or things to improve without actually testing it or anything like that. So usually when I get feedback, it's usually when I start working on 1.1. Question 3: how do you think social media could help with building a product audience for your app? It's helped. I've released an app before, and it really helps a lot with connecting or finding people with similar interests. Even on Twitter or Instagram, you can just search for hashtags. For example, in my case, I made a coffee app, so I just searched for coffee, and you can start interacting with users already that are interested in coffee, and they download your app or leave a review. So that was very helpful. I really like using social media. Question 4: which do you think would be more effective for your app or project idea, press release or pitch email? I went with the pitch email just because you can actually choose websites or blogs that have something similar to your app. For example, in this case, mine was a game, so I went with a blog that writes reviews for games, and I pitched it to them. So I kind of like that better because it reaches a very specific audience instead of doing a large press release that's kind of more general. So that's why I went with the pitch email. Again, this was my reflection video for week 4, and my name is Steven Palomino. Thanks for watching.